In the previous video, I have shown you how to measure resistance of a resistor using digital multimeter, and we have tested two resistors, 1K resistor and the 10K resistor, as you can see here. So in this video, I will show you what happened when we place the resistor in series. Let's find out what happened to the resistance value when the resistor are connected in series. So I'm placing the first resistor like this, and now I will connect the lead of the first resistor with the lead of the second resistor. So you can see we have an interconnection of leads of both the resistor at one end. Okay, the other end are free. So now we will test the resistance. So I will put the digital multimeter back in 20K resistance mode, and I will take the probe. First, I will measure the resistance individually. So the first resistor is around 1K. Okay. And now I'm checking the second resistor, which is around 9.83, which is around the 10K. Okay. So now I will measure the complete resistance from the first lead to the second lead. So it is coming around 10.81 kilo. Now I will add one more resistor to add more resistance. So let's see what happens. So this is the 1K resistor I have placed. As you can see, the first resistor is 1K followed by 10K and the 1K. Now I will do the process again. I will measure the first resistance, which is around 1K. Now I'm measuring the combination of two resistor, which is 10.8K, and now measuring the total resistance, all three, which is coming around 11.79K. So total we have a 12K resistance, and because of tolerance we are getting that 11.78K value. Thank you.